So just do another test of my camera and video setup. This time I've got the Sony AS200V camera mounted in an AS1 waterproof case with an external microphone, Sony ECM3 if I remember the number correctly, and the microphone is mounted inside the padding of my helmet by where the chin strap comes through, just behind the helmet padding itself where the Bluetooth ear speaker is. So we'll see how audible it is. First of all, just going to ride from here around about 30 miles an hour onto the dual carriageway, go through Conway Tunnel where there's no wind noise, out round the roundabout, over the bridge into Conway, again around about 30, and just to see what sort of results I get. My visor's misting up a little bit. Don't know why that. The pin lock insert mustn't be quite straight. So 25, 28 miles an hour, 30 miles an hour, see how audible the volume is, my voice. Go right and find the entrance to the dual carriageway, the slip road. And 30 miles an hour. I want to be able to hear the bike's engine as well, and I'm curious whether it's all drowned out by wind noise. Today is a bit windy, not too windy, but I like a nice overall balance of voice and bike noise and wind to replicate as it is on the bike, really, what I can hear. You can always experiment with moving the microphone around the helmet a little bit, putting it behind more padding or not. So here we join the dual carriageway in the tunnel, going into the tunnel under the Conway River. $70 miles an hour. Wind, and now we're going in the tunnel where there'll be no wind, just wind from our own speed. We'll see what difference it makes, if any. Miles an hour. About 60 miles an hour. And come out of this exit. Heated grips on. A bit chilly. don't bother indicating, just change lanes at the last minute. And then we'll go over the bridge to Conway. Go down onto the quay and then stop. Looks like rain in the distance. Grey, it was sunny before. Takes quite a bit of time faffing with all the camera, getting the bits on and off. When I first thought about going out, the sun was shining. Castle, of course, a bit obvious. And down onto the quay. So we'll flip up the helmet and see what that difference that makes. Hello Seagull, do you like bikes?